Swedish heavyweight of the trucking world, could very well be the game-changer the American market never saw coming. With its high-performance engines, cutting-edge technology, and a growing reputation for fuel efficiency and driver comfort, Scania is not just another European brand, it's a statement of precision, engineering with global ambition, though it's largely absent from US highways today. The question of whether Scania could take over the American truck market isn't far-fetched. It's a matter of timing, strategy, and market readiness for a different breed of power and intelligence on wheels. At the core of Scania's dominance is its legendary V8 engine lineup, with the most powerful variant delivering up to 770 horsepower and a jaw-dropping 3,500 Newton-meters, over 2,580 pounds-ft of torque. Compare this to American stalwarts like the Peterbilt 389 with the Cummins X15 or the Freightliner Cascadia with the Detroit DD16, both typically maxing out around 605 horsepower and 250 pounds-ft that raw power alone gives Scania an immediate performance edge. But the story doesn't end there. Where American trucks often rely on tried manual transmissions and customization culture, Scania brings integrated technology like the OptiCruise automated manual gearbox, advanced driver assistance systems, and predictive cruise control that uses GPS to preemptively adjust gears and throttle for terrain. These features result in not just smoother rides, but substantial fuel savings over long hauls. Historically, Scania has stayed clear of the US due to regulatory challenges, market preferences, and the deeply rooted loyalty American drivers have toward domestic brands. The US market prioritizes service networks, parts availability, and long-nosed design aesthetics, whereas Scania operates in a market that values cab-over efficiency, environmental compliance, and technological integration. However, as emissions laws tighten and electric vehicle mandates loom, the U.S. trucking landscape is poised for disruption and is well-positioned with its hybrid and fully electric platforms. Already in production in Europe, if Scania were to enter the U.S. market now, it could tap into a new generation of fleet operators looking for cleaner, more efficient, and technologically advanced trucks. The brand's focus on total operating economy, combining fuel, uptime, service, and driver retention could appeal to American carriers trying to stay competitive in a shifting logistics world. While full market dominance is unlikely overnight, Scania could carve a strong niche among forward-thinking fleets, gradually reshaping expectations in the industry. With the right strategy, Scania could very well become a leader in a future where performance and intelligence matter more than tradition.